Hi, this is where you start the course. But first, I want to tell you a little bit about it. Because this is more than a course. It's a journey. And it's a challenge. A challenge to yourself. I often hear people say, I want to learn to code, I want to become an app developer, I want a new job, I want to build my app. But without action, those words are meaningless. But you are different. I know it. Even though I don't know you personally, I know you've purchased this course and you haven't left it at that. You've made a start, and success comes to those who show up, and you showed up today. I know you can do this. You can make your dreams come true. You can change your own future, and you can change the lives of those people around you. One of the questions I hear most often is, what's the best way to learn to code? Well, here it is. It's the 100 Days of Code Challenge. Code for at least an hour over 100 days. You're practicing a muscle to get strong at coding. Then the next question, inevitably, is, well, what do I do each day? And I've spent years thinking about this question. And finally, I'm now able to definitively answer that. It's this course. Every day, you're going to learn and apply new programming concepts. After 100 days of repeating this process, not only will you have covered the entire professional Python curriculum, you'll also be so good that they can't ignore you. There are just 2 rules to get the most out of this course. 1. Pledge to code for an hour a day for 100 days. To keep yourself accountable, I recommend downloading the course pledge. This is a contract with yourself. You can print it out and pin it somewhere you can always see. For example, above your computer or on your desk. By signing the pledge, you're making a commitment to yourself. It's only for you. No one else needs to see it. You can download the pledge in the course resources for this lesson. The second rule is to log your progress using the 100 Days of Code hashtag on Twitter. There are millions of other students who are on this journey with you, and they will support you when times get tough. I recommend tweeting your progress each day with the hashtag 100 Days of Code and search the hashtag on Twitter to see what others are doing as a part of their 100 days. And that's all there is to it. So here's to your success, and let's get started with the course.